All right, fixing a Lexus ES350 today. Dents on the rear door. You can see a little bit in there, but what happened is they hit an animal, hit the bumper, scratched that up, kind of flipped around here, missed these two panels, but hit the rear door, and it's funky. There's a lot of inward denting, outward protruding metal or crowns. Down here, it hit the brace. You can see right here, it's got some outward marks. When it hit the door, the brace actually pushed those marks outward, or maybe the glue on the brace. I'm not sure yet. But we'll tap those down. So this is going to use all of our methods of repair. Probably some glue pulling, definitely some tapping up around these crowns here. Thanks, Andy. So yeah, glue tabbing, crown work here, and then pushing through the window that's rolled down there. So we'll get it. It's just definitely a funky dent, not a straightforward little door ding. And I'll show you the after, maybe a during picture, like a 50% progress. All right, let's give it a shot. Okay, here on the Lexus. This was a hard one. A lot going on. I think it came out pretty great, but there are a couple just really minor waves that maybe you could pick up off that tree there. Just super minor stuff. Got those high spots fixed down there, but overall I think it was great. We're avoiding either painting or replacing the door, but probably stripping it and repainting it, blending this door, both doors and the quarter panel, so we saved all that. And they just get like a tiny little wave, which I don't think most people would see. But I could just not show this, but I like to show all the repairs, and customer is happy, should be happy with it, but we will see. Thank you for watching.